Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with another video today. I think about to try to take the baffle out on the 700 Raptor. Just kind of see the difference in the sound with it in and with it out. So let's start it up with it in real quick, and then we'll check back when we get it out and see what it sounds like. Okay, we got the baffle out. We're gonna start it up, see what she sounds like. Well, it sure sounds a lot different. Let's go take this baby for a ride. Alright guys, so today we took the baffle out of the 700. It sounded pretty freaking mean, but I'll honestly probably put it back in because I don't want to risk it messing anything up. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Peace.